is sick this week, so it's only us. Are you completely out of your mind? We're in high school and look at you! Hey, you know what? Let's make a sneaking candy competition. Okay. I'll ask Maya to be the judge. You're free to leave. And if I ever see you with candy again...
What do you like to have for breakfast? Katie really enjoys a good bowl of cereal. Let's build a secret bowl to hold our cereal in a pile of notebooks. Glue 4 notebooks on top of each other. I like to use soft cover ones as they're easier to cut. Open up the top notebook. Take a shallow plastic container, place it on the notebook pile and trace its shape with a pencil. Grab an X-Acto knife and cut as much pages as you need to fit the container in. As you can see, this container fits perfectly in our notebook then. What an epic smuggling compartment! This will be the most ideal holder for our sneaky cereal bowl. However, you can reuse it and smuggle other yummy treats to class as well. Popcorn, gummy candy, marshmallows, or even better, a healthy alternative like yogurt with berries, nuts, or even a salad. We obviously also need a place to hide cereal and milk before going to class. Crayon and glue containers seem like the perfect option. Grab your favorite cereal, this one is delicious, and an empty crayons box. Fill the crayons box with cereal and it's ready to travel with you to school. For the milk, you need to first wash an empty non-toxic glue bottle really well. This is crucial. Then fill it up to the top with milk of your choice. Ta-da! We are ready for a sneaky cereal breakfast in school. What's your favorite cereal? I always love the chocolate flavored ones. Yummy!
What?
Are you following here? Absolutely perfect.
While Katie loves to eat cereal for breakfast, Sara is more like a coffee and biscuits kind of girl. We're sneaking this whole box and 2 coffees to class. Take a binder with a slip case like this one. Open it up and place in the cookie box plus 2 coffees. There is so much space in here. You could fill your binder with any other delicious treats. Before we continue, a little note. Sara and Katie are playing these funny games only for entertainment and you definitely should not do the same. School is important and so is healthy food, which should always be your first choice when you're feeling hungry. However, a cookie here and there will not do any harm. Now let's see who wins the first round of our sneaking competition, Sara or Katie.
Let's ask Maya who's the winner. The winner of first round is Katie. I like your idea very much. That's not fair. Ladies, stop talking and finish your equation. Absolutely.
Yes, miss. We are transforming this bag of chips into a backpack. Make a diagonal cut from the center of the package to one corner. Repeat the step, making the cut to the other corner as well. Flip your bag of chips upside down. Wrap it in fabric of your choice and secure in place with some hot glue or fabric glue. Fold the bottom edge up just like you do when wrapping presents. Flip your work around again and make a cut going from the top edge to the center. Open up the yummy chips packet and fold the excess fabric under. How tasty does this look? Glue a piece of triangle fabric on the top edge and fold down. Our chips bag suddenly looks like a backpack. Well, almost. You can add a colorful strap for some extra detail. Use a pair of longer rainbow fabric bands to create the shoulder straps. How flippin' insane is this? Honestly, I'm totally obsessed with this idea. It is so different, fun to make, plus nonetheless super sneaky and delicious. Having a school bag full up to the top with crispy, salty chips. I don't know about you, but this sounds like the backpack of dreams to me. In the same way, you can make a real backpack from scratch without a chips bag built in. Creating a school bag with no sewing from fabric and rainbow straps? I definitely need to try it out. Katie also decided to sneak the entire packet to school, and her salty snacks of choice are Cheetos. Place them on a piece of fabric, grab a pair of scissors or an X-Acto knife and make a cut along the package. Apply a stripe of hot glue along the top and bottom sides of the opening. Place a zipper on top. Again, grab a glue gun or fabric glue and apply a stripe of hot glue on the top and bottom sides of the zipper. While the glue is still hot, fold the bottom part of the fabric up and the top part down. Flip the pencil case upside down and fold in the edges just like you would do when wrapping presents. Secure everything in place with hot glue. And that's it! Turn the work around and your Cheetos-filled pencil case is ready to take a trip to school with you. There's no way Miss Teacher could suspect that there are actually crunchy Cheetos inside your pencil case instead of the usual pens and pencils. What do you think? Sarah's Chips backpack or Katie's Cheetos pencil case? Let's see what Maya decides.
What is this? What are you hiding? Nothing. If you're hiding something, it will not end up well. Let's call Maya. Now that was close. I like both ideas, but Sarah did better. Yes!
Sneaking whole packets of mini Snickers and Twix seems pretty big to me. Take a package of antibacterial wipes with a plastic opening like this. Alright, I know these are baby wipes, but I couldn't find the antibacterial ones in my store, so let's ignore that. Using an X-Acto knife, make the opening as big as possible like I did here. Take all the wipes out. Don't throw them away, but rather put them in a Ziploc bag to use up later. Finally, you can fill the packet up to the top with your favorite chocolate. I love Snickers, Twix, and also Bounty. They're delish. You can fit so many chocolates in here, it's insane. So what chocolates would you sneak in class? You can literally place in any candy or treat that your heart desires.
You have 1 hour to write your essays, otherwise you'll have to finish them at home.
Yes, miss. Yummy. Yummy.
No way!
Do you think it's possible to sneak this whole basket of goodies to school? It sure is! We have so many different but totally delicious treats here, and they're all going to school with us. Let's go! Grab an old hoodie, jacket or a coat and flip it inside out. Apply a stripe of glue and stick on one side of Velcro adhesive tape. Glue the other side of that tape on a candy or gum like this and stick together on the jacket. This way you can take the candy off your jacket super easily. Add more chocolates, lollies, candies and gummies to fill up your coat entirely. That's it, we're done. And let me present you the coolest jacket in the whole world. This is just so insane but totally epic at the same time. A coat completely filled with delicious candy. What a great sneaking idea for school, the movies, concerts and other places where bringing own food is typically not allowed. I love the hack with Velcro adhesive tape, which makes it so easy to take the candy off the jacket. What do you say, Sarah's chocolates or Katie's magic candy coat? Well, it's up to Maya to determine the winner.
What do you have there, Sarah? Just the antibacterial wipes, miss. I want to keep my desk clean and disinfected.
Oh, absolutely.
Can I have one? I just used the last one. Sorry.
Oh, but I see the packet is full.
Oh, come on. Just one. Sharing is caring. Thank you. Who won? Let's ask Maya.
You two are ridiculous. How can you ask me who won when you're both sitting in detention? You're both losers. Whose ideas did you like best? Are you Team Sara or Team Katie?